Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Karishma and I make videos on beauty and food. Today is a very easy chicken recipe dish and it's one of my very own recipes. I didn't really know what to name it, so I've named it Tasty and Easy Chicken Gravy. So I'm gonna start off by roughly chopping 3 onions. Now this is a very easy dish. You need to put actually most of the ingredients into a blender and then just blitz it to marinate the chicken. After the onions, I've added 4 chillies and about 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Then I've added 1 teaspoon of red chilli paste. The ingredients and recipe for the red chilli paste will be in the description box. I added about 1/4 cup of coriander leaves and 1/3 cup of mint leaves. And as you can see, I have ground this into a paste to marinate about 1 kilo of chicken. This is washed and cleaned. Now I'm gonna add 1 cup of dahi or yogurt to this marinade, followed by some coriander powder, garam masala powder and some dry mango powder, which is also called amchur. And I'm just gonna add some salt to taste. This is as per your discretion. Mix this well and marinate it for a minimum of 20 minutes. And you can actually even marinate this for overnight. But if you marinate it for 20 minutes, it's just as good. So in case you decide to come home and whip up a quick lunch or a quick dinner, all you need to do is marinate this for 20 minutes while you probably change and wash up. Now I'm gonna just add some pepper powder to this and mix this well. Now in 3 tablespoons of oil, I'm going to heat that well, and I'm only going to take out the chicken pieces from the marinade. Ensure you try to drip off all the marinade into the bowl and you can just put in the chicken pieces. What I'm trying to do here is fry the chicken a bit on both sides before I actually allow it to cook, just to give it a slight amount of color. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Thank you very much for visiting and taking out the time. I hope you like this video and you enjoy the process as much as I did. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you very much for all the encouragement and love. Keep it coming. It's what makes me going. This is a very easy recipe to make. As I said, most of the work is done by the blender. You just have to spend some time in cooking this dish. Now I'm gonna add 3 chopped potatoes into this. You can chop it as per whatever size you prefer. However, don't chop it too small because they could end up getting mashed. I've added it at this stage because I just want to ensure that this fries a bit as well with the chicken. Now I'm just covering it for about 10 minutes. And once I see that there's a good brown on the chicken and potatoes, I am going to add the rest of the marinade to allow it to cook. Give it a good stir. Cover it and allow it to cook for at least 20 minutes. Once this is cooked and you see that the oil has come up and separated, ensure that you also check the chicken. The chicken is cooked when you see it coming off the bone slightly. So that's how you'll know that your recipe and your chicken is ready to go. So that's it guys, this is how this easy, tasty, sumptuous chicken gravy is made. You can enjoy it with some rumali roti, some naan, some chapati, tandoori roti, or you can even have it with steamed rice. It will be just as yum. Thank you so much for taking out the time and watching. Until next time, have a lovely, lovely day. Bye bye.